Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Enyo Bulldogs ang Perpetual Altas 25-21, 22-25, 25-14, 25-22. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Mikaelo Budin matapos nagtala ng 17 points mula sa 14 attacks, 2 aces at 1 block na may kasamang 14 excellent receptions. Pinataob naman ng FEU Tamaraws ang UST Golden Tigers 32-30, 27-29, 25-17, 25-20. Best player of the game si Benny Martinez matapos nagtala ng 4 points mula sa 4 aces at may kasamang 16 excellent hits. Para naman sa Women's Division, pinataob din ng UP Lady Marons ang FEU Lady Tamaraws 20-25, 25-19, 26-24, 17-25, 16-14. Best player of the game si Cassandra Doring sa likod ng kanyang 16 points mula sa 9 attacks at 7 blocks. Wagi naman ng UALD Warriors kontra sa CSB Lady Blazers 25-22, 25-23, 25-21. Best player of the game si Kissy Zapada matapos humakot ng 20 points mula sa 20 attacks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of July 31, 2024. Enyo Bulldogs 1 win 0 loss 3 points. FEU Tamaraws 1 win 0 loss 3 points. DLSU Green Spikers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Perpetual Altas 0 win 1 loss 0 point. UST Golden Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Litran Knights 0 win 1 loss 0 point. EAC Generals 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of July 31, 2024. UALD Warriors 1 win 0 loss 3 points. UST Golden Tigresses 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Litran Lady Knights 1 win 0 loss 2 points. UP Lady Marons 1 win 1 loss 3 points. FEU Tamaraws 0 win 1 loss 1 point. CSB Lady Blazers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. LPU Lady Pirates 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 4, 2024 na gaganapin sa Paco Arena. Magharap ang Enyo Bulldogs at EAC Generals alas 10 ng umaga. Magsasagupa naman ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at FEU Tamaraws alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, maglalaban ang CSB Lady Blazers at FEU Lady Tamaraws alas 3 ng hapon. Magtutuos naman ang UST Golden Tigresses at UALD Warriors alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.